Casement window installation in Miami is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Miami casement window experts provide top-notch services, ensuring that each installation meets the highest standards. With a variety of casement windows Miami styles available, residents can choose the perfect design to complement their home. Energy-efficient casement windows are a smart investment for Miami homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the hot Miami climate. Casement window benefits include improved insulation and lower utility bills, making them a popular choice for energy-conscious residents. Custom casement windows Miami offer residents the opportunity to personalize their homes with unique designs. Miami casement window specialists can create bespoke solutions tailored to individual preferences and architectural styles. Custom Windows Miami, Florida services ensure that each window is a perfect fit for the home. Casement window replacement in Miami is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Miami casement window replacement services address issues such as broken hardware, damaged frames, and faulty seals. Regular casement window maintenance can extend the lifespan of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Affordable casement windows are available from various casement window suppliers in Miami. These suppliers offer a range of options to suit different budgets without compromising on quality. Affordable Windows Miami options ensure that every homeowner can find a solution that fits their financial needs. Casement window replacement is a common service provided by Miami casement window contractors. Whether due to damage or a desire for an upgrade, replacing old windows can enhance a home's appearance and efficiency. Window Replacement Miami services offer a seamless transition to new, high-quality windows. Casement window companies in Miami provide a wide array of services, from installation to replacement and maintenance. These companies are staffed by experienced professionals who are knowledgeable about the latest casement window designs and technologies. Window Companies Miami are committed to delivering exceptional customer service and satisfaction. Casement window solutions in Miami are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. From energy-efficient options to custom designs, there is a solution for every preference and requirement. Window Solutions Miami services ensure that residents have access to the best products and services available. Casement window upgrades can significantly enhance the value and appeal of a Miami home. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can improve a property's marketability and reduce energy costs. Window Upgrades Miami services provide expert guidance on selecting the best options for your home. Casement windows Miami designs range from traditional to contemporary, offering something for every taste. Miami casement window designs are crafted to complement the unique architectural styles found throughout the city. Window Designs Miami services help homeowners select the perfect windows to enhance their home's curb appeal. Casement window services in Miami encompass a wide range of offerings, including installation, replacement, and maintenance. Miami casement window services are provided by skilled professionals who are dedicated to ensuring customer satisfaction. Window Services Miami are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client.